Coordinates: 33 degrees 53 minutes 48.39 seconds north, 35 degrees 30 minutes 13.69 seconds east, 33.896775 degrees north, 35.50388028 degrees east, 33.896775 35.50388028 Opposition. The Lebanese parliament is the national parliament of Lebanon. There are 128 members elected to a 4-year term in multi-member constituencies, apportioned among Lebanon's diverse Christian and Muslim denominations, but with half of the seats reserved for Christians per Constitutional Article 24. Lebanon has universal adult suffrage. Its major functions are to elect the President of the Republic, to approve the government, and to approve laws and expenditure. On 15 May 2013, the Parliament extended its mandate for 17 months, due to the deadlock over the electoral law, and, on 5 November 2014, the Parliament enacted another extension, thus keeping its mandate for an additional 31 months, until 20 June 2017. And in 16 June 2017 the Parliament in turn extended its own mandate an additional 11 months to hold elections according to a much-anticipated reformed electoral law. On 6 May 2018, a new parliament was elected in the 2018 general election, thus ending the mandate of the 2009 parliament, who extended it for about 5 years. The parliament building was designed by Mahdia Ros Altunian, who was also the architect of the Atoll Clock Tower. The building was completed in 1934 during the French Mandate period. Advised to build in the spirit of Lebanese tradition, the architect visited the Emirs' palaces in the Chouf Mountains. He also drew inspiration from the Oriental styles developed in Paris, Istanbul and Cairo at the turn of the 20th century. The building combines Beaux-Arts design with elements taken from local architectural tradition, including twin and triple arch windows. The limestone facade, decorated with recessed panels, arched openings, and tiers of stalactites clads a reinforced concrete frame that also supports the 20-meter diameter cupola covering the Chamber of Deputies. It represented a major technical achievement at that time. A unique feature of the Lebanese system is the principle of confessional distribution. Each religious community has an allotted number of deputies in the parliament. In elections held between 1932 and 1972, 27 Shiite, 2 Alawites and 1 Evangelical, although distributed confessionally, all members, regardless of their religious faith, are elected by universal suffrage, forcing politicians to seek support from outside of their own religious communities, unless their co-religionists overwhelmingly dominate their particular constituency. The changes stipulated by the TAF agreement are set out in the table below. According to the Doha Agreement, resigned on 8 August 2020, expelled from Strong Lebanon bloc on 21 April 2021, resigned on 8 August 2020, died on 8 February 2021, resigned on 5 August 2020, died on 31 January 2021, resigned on 9 August 2020, resigned on 8 August 2020, resigned on 8 September 2020. Resigned on 18 July 2019, resigned on 8 August 2020, resigned on 8 August 2020. Numerous political parties exist in Lebanon. Many parties are little more than ad hoc electoral lists, formed by negotiation among influential local figures representing the various confessional communities. These lists usually function only for the purpose of the election, and do not form identifiable groupings in the parliament subsequently. Other parties are personality-based, often comprising followers of a present or past political leader or warlord. Few parties are based, in practice, on any particular ideology, although in theory most claim to be. No single party has ever won more than 12.5% of the total number of seats in the parliament. And until 2005, no coalition ever won more than a third of the total. The general election held in 2005, however, resulted in a clear majority being won by the alliance led by Saad Hariri. Half of these were held by Hariri's own Future movement. Additionally, Hezbollah won 14 seats. The Speaker of the Parliament, who by custom must be a Shia Muslim, is now elected to a 4-year term. Prior to the TAF agreement, he was elected to a 2-year term. He forms part of a troika together with the president and the prime minister. The privileges of the speaker are unusually powerful. Relative to other democratic systems, the current speaker is the leader of the Amal party. Nabi Berri. The system of multi-member constituencies has been criticized over the years by many politicians, who claim that it is easy for the government to gerrymander the boundaries. The Barber Ali constituency, established for the 2000 election, is a case in point. The predominantly Druze area of Ali were combined in a single constituency with the predominantly Christian area of Barber. The same thing happens in the south, meaning that although several seats within the constituency are allocated to Christians, they have to appeal to an electorate which is predominantly Muslim. Many opposition politicians, mostly Christians, have claimed that the constituency boundaries were a